get attention in a pre-operative workup that what is going to happen, whether I'm going to have a good access or I'm going to default and have an Argentinian flag or complete the FACO or convert. So we thought over doing an entire segment OCT in every white cataract we have. What does, how does it help? It really plans a very comfortable surgery for you. Once you do a preoperative AOSCT, we look for a fluid spaces in the cataract. It virtually takes your heartbeat to normal if something like this you plan happens. Moment you put your access forceps in, you are having something which you never wanted. Can we prevent this? Yes, we can. Have a good workup of your white cataracts. Take it to an anterior segment OCT. Plan it. Once you have an anterior segment OCT with you, you can easily decide what is going to be the course in intraoperatively in the OT. Your nerves will remain calm because you know what is going to happen. See, we stain. We already know that this cataract has a fluid spaces into it. If you see the markers, there's a good subcapsular fluid space. We go into the AC through a separate port with a 27 gauge needle, aspirate the fluid from the space we had seen on the anterior segment OCT. It is very well planned at this stage, no fear and nothing to worry. Everything will go as you want. We have removed the fluid, and once the fluid is removed, which was known very well in advance, we could easily perform the access. This is the second case in which we maneuvered it with a 30 gauge needle a little away from the periphery, a more comfortable position to take the fluid in. And once the fluid is drawn out, we have a very comfortable position to check how comfortable look we have now, which would have already identified before we could go into the surgery or planning the surgery preoperatively. A very good job and a perfect surgery. Now this is the second case where on anterior segment OCT we see no fluid. That means we can jump, go fast, do our access without a fear, a comfortable position. I think nothing could have been so softening to the surgeon to know beforehand whether he is going to have a chance or whether his surgery is going to be ruined. A simple test, a preoperative workup managed everything. Thank you.